Roast beef is a classic dish. It's perfect for holidays, family dinners, or any special gathering. With the right steps, anyone can make a flavorful, tender roast that impresses. Start by selecting a quality cut of beef. The best options for classic roast beef are the rib roast, also known as prime rib. It's rich and tender. Top sirloin roast is another good choice. It's leaner, but still has great flavor. Tenderloin is very tender, but it costs more. Chuck roast is best for pot roast. It's not ideal for classic roasting. For best results, stick with rib or top sirloin roast. Before cooking, season the beef generously. Use salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Let it sit at room temperature for about an hour. This helps the roast cook evenly. If the roast is an odd shape, tie it with kitchen twine. This keeps it uniform during roasting. Here's a simple way to roast. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 230 degrees Celsius. Rub the beef with your seasoning mix and some olive oil. Place it in a roasting pan. Cook at high heat for 15 minutes. This creates a nice crust. Then lower the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 165 degrees Celsius. Continue roasting until it reaches your desired doneness. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. For rare, aim for 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 49 to 52 Celsius. Medium rare is 130 to 135 Fahrenheit or 54 to 57 Celsius. Medium is 140 to 145 Fahrenheit, 60 to 63 Celsius. Medium well is 150 to 155 Fahrenheit, 65 to 68 Celsius. For well done, you need 160 Fahrenheit or higher, which is 71 Celsius plus. Let the roast rest for 15 to 20 minutes after cooking. This keeps the juices inside. It also makes slicing easier. Slice the roast against the grain. This gives you the most tender pieces. Classic sides include Yorkshire pudding. Roasted vegetables are great too. Think potatoes or carrots. Mashed potatoes are always a favorite. Green beans with almonds add a nice touch. And don't forget to use the pan drippings. You can make a flavorful gravy from them. Making roast beef isn't complicated. It just takes a few key steps. Start with a good cut of meat. Use simple seasoning. Follow the right cooking method. You can create a comforting, satisfying dish. Everyone will love it. Serve it proudly and enjoy every bite.